Hey everyone, now we're going to go to Ireland to FP McCann, who's doing an incredible job implementing 2-second lean, and we're going to hear from Adam how they've improved their 3S process and made it so visual and so easy. Adam, you are a rock star.
My name's Adam, I'm from the Biley plant in eShop. We want to share an improvement we've made in recent weeks, which is our 3S board. eShop is our mesh plant facility where we've got our big machine that makes the mesh and our smaller machine that makes the links. It's about 60 metres long by about 30 metres wide. And what we want to share with you is the housekeeping side of it and the board behind me. It's a big old area to clean, and we've broken it down into certain sections to make sure that the job isn't too overwhelming for the guys and doesn't affect production. We've got one big map of the whole area, which is up here. The whole footprint has a colour assigned to it, so no stone is unturned. This is one particular day of the week. This particular sheet shows the grey area on the map, which corresponds with the whole plant. And all we're asking of the lads is this week, on this particular day, which is Monday, we're just asking to make sure that they do these steps. Again, we're looking for the sort, sweep, standardized side of things. So we're sweeping the floor, we're clearing debris, we're cleaning away equipment, and with some of the specifics like mandrels are getting tidied away. That would be Monday. We've got something similar for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. The whole idea is that in any given week, 5 working days, this whole plant has been broken up into manageable chunks, and like I say, no stone's been unturned. The whole plant has been cleaned accordingly without it being too overwhelming. Plant now, as you can see, it's quite tidy. Clean floor space up there by the coils. We've got clean floor space around here, and again, it's a big old plant. Implementing those colour-coded zones and breaking the plant up into manageable chunks through a whole week again means that every week we clean this plant sensibly. The guys are using the board wisely. You haven't got to do too much thinking. They can just crack on with the work and get the place clean and get the production out effectively. And it seems to be working so far.
So to the team at FP McCann and Adam and the rest of you, amazing work. You guys get it, and you're setting a great example for the rest of us.